Hey there! Ready to level up your English? Today, we're practicing how to explain a project plan like a pro. We're keeping it energetic, funny, and casual. We're using my double loop method for deep learning. Here's how it works. First, I'll say a punchy sentence. Then my best friend will repeat it slowly. After that, I'll say it again at normal speed. Finally, speaker 2 will wrap it up at a natural pace. It's the ultimate way to build muscle memory. Before we dive in, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Ready to crush this project? Let's go! Look at this awesome project plan!
Look at this awesome project plan.
Look at this awesome project plan!
Look at this awesome project plan.
We are going to crush it!
We are going to crush it.
We are going to crush it!
We are going to crush it.
First, we need a big brainstorm.
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 Is the deadline scary? No way!
Is the deadline scary? No way.
Is the deadline scary? No way!
Is the deadline scary? No way.
Let's assign these tasks right now.
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 Our goal is simple and clear.
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 This timeline is totally doable, guys.
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 We need to stay super organized.
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 Who is the boss of this?
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 Check out our fancy new slides.
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 This budget is a bit tight.
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 Let's focus on the big wins.
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 Did we forget the snacks again?
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 We need a backup plan ASAP.
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 Let's finish before the sun sets.
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 Everyone loves a great success story.
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 High fives for everyone, let's go!
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 Look at our master plan.
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 This idea is pure gold.
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 No more boring meetings today.
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 Let's keep it short and sweet.
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 We are making huge progress.
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 Time to make some magic happen.
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 Let's celebrate with some pizza.
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 You are doing an amazing job.
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 Let's win and celebrate later.
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 You did it. That was an incredible practice session. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Keep practicing and stay positive. We will see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!